Good morning, children. Welcome to your MSc class. Today we are moving on toward our chapter 5th, You We Can. Children, You We Can is a foundation which was established by cricketer Yuvraj Singh to spread awareness about the deadly disease of cancer. Yuvraj Singh himself got infected with cancer and he fought in a very brave manner with this deadly disease. So he established this foundation You We Can afterwards so that he can spread awareness among common people to fight against the disease with stamina, willpower and endurance. So the values we are going to learn from the chapter are willpower, stamina and endurance. Let's move on toward reading the chapter. This picture is of Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking is severely disabled by motor neuron disease known as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. The diagnosis of motor neuron disease was done when Stephen Hawking was only 21 years old. And doctors said that he is able to live only for 2 or 3 years only. Hawking gradually lost the use of his arms, legs and voice. Means he was not able to use his arms, legs and voice, and in 2009 he was completely paralyzed. He has achieved 12 honorary degrees, was awarded CBE award in 1982 and was made a companion of honor in 1989. He has been recipient of many awards, medals and also a member of US National Academy of Sciences. Stephen Hawking continues his research into theoretical physics with an extensive program of travel and public lectures. Means instead of being an handicapped person, he didn't stop his studies and he did a thorough study on theoretical physics and also gave a number of lectures on travel and public. Dependent on prosthesis means wheelchair. He was so helpless, he was completely stuck to his wheelchair and customized computer through which he can work properly and voice synthesizer as he was not able to use his voice also. He got brilliant heights and he didn't let his handicap condition push him down. Along with his research, he travels a lot to deliver public lectures also. Stephen Hawking says, intelligence is the ability to adopt change. He believes in the power of mind. He believes in intelligence. That's why he encourages people like us saying, who are well able to do everything. He conveys the message that enrich your mind and be intelligent, as intelligence is the ability to adopt any kind of change, whether it is favorable or unfavorable. Children, this is the picture of Amy Mullins. She is a very strong woman, just an incredible person in fact. She is a runner, a runaway model, a speaker, an activist, means a social reformer, an actor, an athlete, an NCAA track star and an amazing soul. She lost her lower legs because she was born without fibulae. Despite her impairment, despite her handicapped condition, her inability, she is changing the world with a message. She is non-stop. She is doing progress each and every second and inspiring the whole world. You can do it despite any adversity you have. These real life stories tell us that despite such adversities, means such unfavorable circumstances and conditions, these geniuses performed such extraordinary tasks which could even not be possible for normal people. It is true, children. What we are doing now, we are doing only simple things in our life. We are not doing anything extraordinary. Just see the example of such people who are totally incapable. Still, they are doing that kind of things which normal people cannot do. So, if differently able persons are provided with proper sources and help, they will no more remain handicapped and turn out to be productive for themselves and for the society also. These handicapped people can actually be a source of motivation for everyone. So we should all work toward a society where the differently abled people are given their due respect and they are able to lead a happy and fulfilling life. Also, it is a moral duty of differently abled people not to consider themselves as forlorn, means alone, isolated, and they should always work toward their success, happiness, and progressive life. The well said, the inspiring quotes are: the only disability in life is a bad attitude. And second quote, given by Roosevelt: believe you can and you are halfway there. So children, there is nothing which is impossible in our life. If we want to achieve anything, there is no power which can stop us. There is no power which can hinder our ways. We should have faith in ourselves. When we start doing something with positivity, really it is a halfway the thing is done. Because only the beginning is tough. When something is started with positivity, with a kind of faith and self-trust, self-confidence, then a person surely gets success in his life. There is no obstruction which we cannot cross away. So with this very beautiful inspirational chapter ends, student. Thank you.